Fucking ugly child.
Come on, Robbie. You got it.
Dang, I hate this game. Oh my god. Seriously, who puts a handrail right in front of a wall? And you're supposed to ollie over it? What is that? Look at that.
A handrail over a wall?
No!
You said that like a little kid.
Oh my god.